The Haudio wireless double-din stereo offers seamless smartphone integration with both CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to connect your device wirelessly and safely access apps through voice commands. Featuring a 9-inch high-definition touchscreen, this car stereo ensures crystal-clear navigation and comes with a backup camera that provides a wide-angle real-time view for safer reversing. With its professional sound quality, the stereo boasts a 4.1-channel equalizer and supports various audio formats, ensuring a rich and immersive listening experience. Equipped with the latest Android 13 system and a dual-core processor, the stereo provides fast and smooth operation, supporting multiple languages and offering lifetime map updates. The product comes with a 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer support, ensuring a risk-free purchase with easy returns and quick assistance if needed. Installation is straightforward, but it is recommended to check the dashboard size and consider professional installation to ensure a perfect fit and optimal performance.